Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to insert a Boolean value that is true or false in MySQL. So let's get started. So first let me create my database. So new DB is my database over here. So here you can see I'm having a create table statement with a table named student. I'm having two columns named roll number and mark. So I'll be adding a third column which is of type Boolean. So let me put a comma over here and let me name it as attendance. And for Boolean, the data type is going to be Boolean itself. That's it. So here we'll be having Boolean. Yeah, so this is the data type name. So just add it like this, name and the Boolean data type. So it's a keyword, okay? And when inserting values, you need to be careful. So it's going to be insert into your table name values. So first data type is going to be of type int. So I'll put 1, comma, and for mark, let me put 100. And next is going to be of type Boolean. So here we need to specify true or false. So if I just put true, so here you can see it automatically gets highlighted. And if I just put false, it's also getting highlighted. So I will go with true. Yeah, this is fine. So first let me just create a table. Yeah, table has been created, and if I now insert a value, I'll be getting a green mark. And if I just go to my table, here is the surprise, okay? Yeah, we will be having 100 and 1 for attendance column, but actually we have inserted true over here, okay? So now let me explain the reason why we are having 1 in the place of true for our attendance column, which is of type Boolean. So if I just now go to the table description, yeah. So here you can see our number is of type int. Let me just minimize this a bit. Yeah, roll number is of type int, mark is of type int, and attendance, it is not type of Boolean. Here you can see that we have given it as Boolean, but it's appearing as tiny int. Okay, tiny int of 1. Okay, so the reason is because in MySQL we don't have this Boolean data type or something like that. So that's why MySQL would store this Boolean data type as a tiny int. So for those who don't know what is tiny int is, a tiny int is a very small integer that can be signed or unsigned. Unsigned means negative. So the range of the tiny int is from -128 to 127, and if it is unsigned, it is from 0 to 255. So this is basically what tiny int means. And here we are storing true or false as a 1 or 0 basically. It's like, you know, the logic gates, right? We refer false as 0 and true as 1. The exact same criteria is followed over here. So whenever we insert like true value over here, it will be displayed in our table as 1. And whenever we insert false value, let me insert another false value. Yeah, okay, let me insert another value which is going to be false. Yeah, I will insert this false. And if I just now run it, and if I go to my table again, so you can see I'm getting 0 this time. Second roll number 0. So true will be inserted as 1 and false will be getting inserted as 0. The reason is because MySQL stores true and false values as tiny int or like 1 and 0. Simple. So now you will have the question how we will be able to select a value. Okay. So for that we can do the exact same thing. Like what I meant by select a value is that select asterisk from table by using the where clause, like a condition having true or false. So I will go with the same thing. It's going to be select. Okay, let me just copy this rather than typing it out. Copy it, paste it, student, where clause, and attendance equal to true. That's it. Here I don't know whether it will work for 0 or 1. Let's try it out at the end, but this will definitely work. If I run it, so you can see I'm getting the first row because attendance is true over here. And if I just put false, this will also work now. We will be getting the second row, the row number 2. Yeah. So this is how you like basically add this particular condition. So you can use true or false everywhere, but only it stores in the form of 0 or 1. So that's what the conclusion is. And if I just give 1, I really don't know whether it will work now or not. Yeah, it's still working. Okay, so you can use it basically interchangeably, I guess, true or false or 0 or 1. But whenever you're inserting, please insert false. Okay, false and true. Well, inserting a value into a Boolean. So this is basically how you do like insert a Boolean value in MySQL, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I also run many other tutorials in MySQL, MongoDB, Node.js. I have done CRUD operations using that, as well as C, C++, Java, Python. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.